Video. Background.
Irish.
Hi,
Irish. Biker's friend.
Yeah.
What's that yung birthday bike?
November 18. You forgot. You're so bad.
Sorry. Just checking out. It's fun. Wala, I just wanna say thank you and sorry, kinalate ko karon.
It's okay. It's better late than never.
Yeah, importante na ako dari karon.
Yes.
Kita ko sa mga friends so gorgeous. Oh my God.
Labay-labay.
Wala, happy ako nga nakita ko niyo tanan dari.
Yeah, we too.
So, we're glad that we're here, but there's one missing.
Yeah,
Oh my
it's
God.
Joanne.
Where are you?
Joanne!
Oh my God!
3-2-1 girls is not complete.
Yes, so, actually, our home plano today unta is
Hoy, kamu ha. Okay?
But then, I decided nga, manhijud ko this part of everything nga makaanhijud ko.
Yes, dapat lang
Yes.
dai. Thank you.
Kaya talag, sorry, dito tayo magkita ay.
Mga yun, correct.
Parang hidden ko ni mother and of course and everything. So, I'm glad na nakita ay dito today. We miss you so much. I love you so much.
Love you, Ay.
Mwah, mwah.
Hmm.
Thank you, bye, for the love. Of course, mapil gid ako nga you guys were such a true friends.
Yes.
Of course, in times of advices, I know na naadyo mo. Wow.
Ayaw, hilak, Ay.
Sino ay maka-remember na ko atong time bitaw nga nang higda ta bitaw nga nang hilak ta.
Baga,
Yes. Oh my
yes.
God, that was
Yes.
the most best moments ever.
Yeah. Tanawa na ko ding doon.
Friendship.
Agree. Me too, agree.
Grabe ka to nila kay boss. Wala gyud bahala na raw. Wala biya pa to kay
Sample.
Sayaw.
Kanta biya na iya.
Ano ka ba naman
Singer
sayaw?
biya na siya. Oh, sige,
Sayaw na ako,
singer.
change. Go.
Na makay-back up.
Bebe. Mag-back up. Sino nga back upan eh?
That's all, bye. Thank you.
Thank you, Ay.